Let's start by giving you an overview of the main screen of the iPECs UCS desktop client, where you can easily see presence of colleagues, messages, status updates, and easily make voice calls, video calls, or instant messaging. The message status bar shows if you've received a new voicemail, instant message or note, and if you've missed a call. The My Detail information displays your profile picture, presence, today's message, and schedule. This is the main window for seeing your colleague's presence. You can make calls by simply clicking on the contact. You can also organize your contacts, make calls, and view your call logs. You can also make calls from the Quick Call control bar using the dial pad pop-up. You can find more features and settings through the File, View, and Tools menus. iPECs UCS allows you to set your presence to tell other users your availability to receive calls and messages. Your status is displayed on the top left of the screen above your profile picture. You can change your status by clicking here to open the drop-down menu, or through File, Set My Presence. You can also see the presence of your colleagues through the Presence window below. You can use the iPECs UCS client to forward calls to another destination by selecting File, Set My Phone Status, and then setting the destination under the Simple menu option. You can return your phone to its normal state by selecting Clear. To block incoming calls, select File, Set My Phone Status, and then select DND. This will turn on Do Not Disturb mode, and callers will receive a busy tone or voicemail. Select Clear to return the phone to its normal state. To place a call, enter the number using the simple dial pad pop-up in the bottom left of the main screen. Press the Call button to place the call. You can also place a call by opening the drop-down contact list and clicking to select the desired contact. Click the Speaker button to end the call. Click to Dial makes it easy to call a number from your computer. With your mouse, highlight a phone number from any application or website, and it will be added to the dial screen. When you have an incoming call, you'll be presented with the following options: answer the call, reject the call, or transfer the call to your voicemail without answering. And once the call is active, transfer the call using the dial pad to input the number you want to transfer the call to. Start a video call. Place the call on hold. Pressing hold again will reconnect to the call. Mute the caller. And finally, place the call in park. iPECs UCS client allows you to set up audio conference calls quickly and easily via the Audio Conference menu under Tools. To invite members, input their extension number or external telephone number, then press Invite. To mute a member, press the Mute button. Press the Remove button to take a member off the call. To end the conference, press the End button. Visual voicemail allows you to easily see and manage your voicemail messages. The voicemail status button in the message and status bar indicates your new message status. Selecting the button will open the visual voicemail window, where you can listen to your messages. Select a message and press Call to return the call. To start an instant messaging session, select IM from the Tools menu. The Select Member window will appear. Pick a recipient and click Add. The recipient's presence must be set to Online to join a conversation. Select OK to display the IM window. Multi-chatting allows you to instant message multiple users, up to 100 at a time. During one-to-one chatting, you can begin multi-chatting by dragging any user from the Presence view into the IM window. Go to the Sharing menu under Tools to share an application, such as your email inbox or a document, your desktop, a whiteboard, or a web URL with a colleague. Let's take a look at desktop sharing. First, select a member and press Add, then OK. The member will receive a notification inviting them to join the sharing session. Once they've accepted the invitation, the pop-up menu will give you the option to enter drawing mode, hand over control to the recipient, or stop the sharing session. For more information on using your iPECs UCS desktop client, please consult your user guide or speak to your telecoms provider.